Hi Joel, thanks very much for contacting us with regards your Zanussi washer dryer. Now you've said you've seen another FAQ on the website, but this was not on your exact model. So what I've done for you is I've got you the workshop manual, wiring diagram and the diagnostic procedure for going into test mode to solve the problem with your washer dryer heating problem. And what I've done is put this in the link on this video in the description. I'm doing this video response just so I can explain what you need to be looking at. Now you've said that the washer dryer starts and then runs a minute or so and jumps to just 11 minutes left on the cycle, even if you've set it onto a long cycle. Now you say also that you've tested the NTC sensor, the heating element and the protection thermostats on there. The wiring diagrams show you the full wiring system for the heating side on your washer dryer. Now I have done a detailed video which I will put on this page for you, which shows you how a washer dryer works, so you get a fundamental basics of how the machine works and what to look for. Now if all the components on the washer dryer side are working correctly, on some occasions you do get problems with the relay that controls the heating system on the actual circuit board, and this may be a problem and you'll need to have a look if this relay is operating correctly. But the workshop manual first, you will need to go through the test procedure to understand if you have an error stored in the system which is causing the problem why the machine is jumping down to 11 minutes. Now if that's the case, this will point you in the direction of where a component is failing. It is not always 100% accurate with saying exactly what's wrong with the machine, but it will steer you in the correct direction. So I've put all these PDFs on this webpage for you to assist you. I have also put exploded diagrams on the page for you of your machine with every component, but there is 5 different variations on your machine, Joel. So what you need to do is open up the door on the machine. You will find your model number, which you've sent us, but there will also be a PNC number, or sometimes called a product number, and this will identify the exact machine you've got before ordering any spare parts. I hope all this information helps you. Feel free to contact us at the webpage on the contact us page if you need further assistance, but this test procedure should guide you in the right direction. Thanks very much for sending your email in and look forward to hearing how you got on. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.